Why do some Game Pass games run poorly on my PC? Imagine sitting down to enjoy your favorite game from Xbox Game Pass and suddenly facing choppy frames, long loading times, or crashes. That can be frustrating, but there's a lot behind why this happens. Let's explore what might be causing these issues and how you can fix them. First, your PC's hardware is a big factor. If your processor, graphics card, or memory do not meet the game's recommended specifications, the game might not run smoothly. Even if your PC meets the minimum requirements, demanding games often need more powerful hardware for steady performance. For example, a game with high-quality graphics might need a faster graphics card or more RAM than your system has. Second, software issues can also cause problems. Outdated graphics drivers or missing Windows updates can lead to poor game performance. Sometimes, updates to the Xbox Game Pass app or the game itself introduce bugs that make the game run worse. For instance, after certain updates, some users report frame rate drops even with capable hardware. Third, your internet connection can impact gameplay, especially if you're playing cloud-based games or multiplayer modes. High latency, packet loss, or unstable internet can cause lag, input delays, or disconnections, making the game feel choppy or unresponsive. Other things to consider include the version of the game you're playing. Some Game Pass titles are optimized differently than their retail or Steam versions, which can affect how well they run. Also, background applications like web browsers or streaming software can take up resources, leaving less power for your game. In-game settings matter too. Running a game at very high graphics settings, like ultra-resolution or ray tracing, can overwhelm your hardware. Lowering these settings, especially resolution and texture quality, can make a big difference. To improve your experience, start by making sure your PC meets or exceeds the game's recommended specs. Keep your Windows operating system and graphics drivers up to date. Verify game files or reinstall if needed. Adjust in-game graphics settings to lower levels. Close any unnecessary background programs that might be using resources. If you're playing via cloud, check your internet connection and consider using network optimization tools. In the end, poor performance on Game Pass games often comes down to hardware limitations, software glitches, or network issues. Addressing these areas can help you enjoy your games without frustration and get the most out of your gaming experience.